Today we plan to introduce you to a pranayam called Ujjayi Pranayama. The meaning of Ujjayi Pranayama is victorious breath or breathing of victory. The sound which we create in this pranayam primarily also sounds like sound of the ocean. So that's the reason, like most of the people also call this as a ocean sound breathing pattern. In this pranayam, our intent is to slow down our mind because we want to finally enter into meditative state. This pranayam is very useful in calming you down. You fill your stomach with a lot of air, and then that leads to expansion of your lungs. That in turn helps you in calming your mind. We are going to follow a guided pattern, which I will instruct you, give the guidance to use this pranayam to reach to meditative state. To practice Ujjayi Pranayama, you need to focus on three aspects. First aspect is that you have to breathe in, and when you breathe in, you have to expand your chest and belly as if like a victory soldier. The process of breathing in, and even when you are holding the breath, you have to constrict your throat, epiglottis, so that it sounds like a sound of ocean or waves. You should not be too harsh or too loud that person standing at 10 feet can listen to you. Our intent is we want to use this breathing technique to slow down and calm your mind. Second is we will have to, like any pranayam, close our eyes, keep our backbone, spine straight and erect. And third is while doing this, you will have to close your mouth, obviously. Just to give a very layman way of practicing before the full form, when you want to clean your glasses, sometimes you have to pump the air, and the sound you get, that is the kind of sound you have to create by constricting your throat and also inhaling the air with closed mouth. I will show you exactly what kind of sound it comes when we practice it, but you have to focus that your face in this has to be little down so that you constrict your throat, and your belly and chest has to face out. Sit in a dhyan or gyan mudra, palm facing upwards, index finger pressing your thumb. Close your eyes. Your chest should be uplifted and your throat should be constricted slightly. And now we will breathe in. Hold the breath. And release your breath from the right nostril by pressing your left nostril. Slowly. You can repeat this 10 to 12 times at your pace. While doing this, you have to watch your breath. Ujjayi Pranayam known to have many health benefits, like it balances cardiorespiratory and nervous system. It helps in releasing stress, anger, and replaces it with calmness. Slowing down of breath is also linked to longevity, and I will explain some other video how it works on your mitochondrial health. It is known in the yogic sciences that it is very helpful in de-stressing your mind. If someone is having excessive fear, bad dreams,
somehow unable to sleep properly, especially for children's. And I think take your advice from your doctors, but it is known that it can be helpful even in patients with or children with ADHD or someone with ADHD disorder. It can bring focus, and it can also help you kind of remaining calm in any of the situations. Please consult your doctor. As I told earlier, it's not a medical advice. Please see our disclaimer.